Hello friends, in this video we will adjust some settings on our PC to improve its performance. So let's start this. So first of all, we need to remove the icons and such from our taskbar that we do not use, like an additional button or the search bar. Here, the use of interest might have been on notifications. If we clear them, then we go to settings in the PC. Notifications. And they have to turn them off. Focus they need to turn off. Not for the pause. Not for this. And not in this. In additional either. Power settings, we need to go and set our PC to high performance in the show additional plan. Next, we have to keep this on story mode, and we have to set tablet mode to never. Let it come to don't switch. Lastly, we have to click on award here in the PDWR setting tab is, and then here in the settings under performance. If we have chosen light window, then we need to take best performance, otherwise we have to select these three options. Use top chat and support and show thumbnail. We have to add date extension to this, and this will be turn on TAP for extension window. So we have to turn on TAP for all programs, apply and OK. Let's move on to the next one. We have found in the apps here that we need to uninstall some unnecessary apps. Like it's not for the camera, we can defer it. We can handle this and we'll give feedback from here. We won't do it from here. This should be turned off in the starter. Then we need to go to gaming. And in gaming, we need to turn everything off. Capture off. Game mode off. So here we have everything within it. So we have to update our Windows. We will solve this to update it. After that we connect the Revel installer. Then you will get it. You can download it from PAL and message it to get it. In the installer, it will come to Windows apps.
I was not installed.
And here we have for Windows. Then we have to make another setting.
Jeep. Pre-advert.
In the tort. Under the save and component, I need to permanently turn off the short fender, for which it is necessary to turn off this setting. Just follow this instruction. And also disable error protection.
Okay, now you come to services.
in this video. Hope you liked it. See you in the next video.